Cost Tracking. To start tracking your campaign's traffic cost, go to the Campaigns tab. Edit your campaign or create a new one by clicking the New button. In the Cost Model section, you can find different cost model options. Pick the appropriate cost model and enter the amount based on your traffic spend. You can also specify the currency of your traffic costs. By default, the currency matches the currency of your account, but you can change that if needed. Auto Cost Model enables you to automatically track the cost, but it's only available if the cost parameter is mapped in your traffic source template. Cpv Option lets you enter the cost per visit on your ad campaign. With this option enabled, the cost is calculated using the number of visits multiplied by the CPV cost value set. By choosing the CPM option, you can enter the cost per 1,000 impressions. Remember, with the CPM cost model option, your traffic source needs to have impression tracking enabled. CPA allows you to enter the cost per conversion. It is calculated based on the number of conversions multiplied by defined CPA cost value. RevShare should be used whenever you want to apply the percentage of your revenue as a cost. With this option enabled, the cost value will be calculated based on the payout sent in the postback URL or specified in the offer configuration and the percentage set in the RevShare cost field. The Do Not Track cost model can be selected if you are not sure what model is best for tracking the traffic cost. You can update the traffic cost later after you start running traffic to this campaign.